In Z platform, computation is available at all times. An expression can be inserted into the content simply by pressing equal to sign and then giving whatever expression that needs to be evaluated. And the value is evaluated and placed right in the document itself, right there. At any point in the content, a CALCI, which is a spreadsheet, can be inserted. And if there are two CALCIs, for example, like in this case, these two CALCIs can connect with each other simply by referencing in the equation itself. For example, in this case, table 1, the cell in CALCI 2 is connected to table 1 C2 of the first table, and the expression is immediately evaluated in the cell. One of the interesting things in CALCI is that the cell could be changed dynamically using the capture facility. And if it was needed to capture the value that is changed in one of the derivative cells, in this case C4 is an expression that adds up all the values above it. Hence, if you changed C2 and wanted to track what were the changes for 83, the cell C4 can be captured using the capture button that was seen at the bottom. And now if C2 is changed dynamically, those values of C4 will be captured in this table. And this can even be graphed and so forth. So the calculation elements in Z are extremely powerful, interconnected, and can be used for a variety of document scenarios.